Hey everybody, how are you? Okay, so I'm Bert, so I founded TankTwo, I still run it to this day, and we make batteries for electric cars and for shared mobility in particular. So our story here is the following. So data science, algorithms, and all the smart stuff that is going on these days is giving us, self-driving cars, it's giving us ride sharing, and then there's the electric car itself, which is a fantastic product, but it suffers from a couple of compromises. The most important one being that it is actually very expensive still. Also range anxiety, that is still a thing. And our analysis of the situation is that the battery pack actually missed the data science bus. So generally speaking, they are fixed, they're dumb, they're expensive, they're heavy, and they're slow to charge. And I see there are 200 people from GM sitting there, so they might have an opinion about that too, but come to find me in the demo area later. So what we do, we make battery packs with thousands of small, egg-shaped, intelligent cells, which you can throw together in a container at random, unorganized, any container of any size, any shape, and they work together as a mesh network, as a battery pack. So the data science that we use takes care of all the complexities to make it work together, and for the user or the host application, there is no difference. Doing this gives us a couple of opportunities that you cannot have with other technologies, such as flexible capacity. You can have a battery pack that, for example, gives you 100 miles of range for day-to-day use, but if you feel like driving for Uber on Saturday night, you can get triple the capacity to take care of whatever you have to do. So another benefit is that you can have a depleted battery pack where you do not need to wait for it to charge. Even 40 minutes at the supercharger is sometimes too slow. So you can swap the cells all together for freshly charged ones, and you're ready to go for 300 miles after 3 minutes. So why battery science or why data science for batteries is actually easier to explain by looking at other industries, because it's already being done every day, all the time, by millions of businesses in different industries. So data science is not new for optimizing operations and optimizing assets. So we just apply it to batteries. It gives all those benefits that have been waited for now for a long time. You can use electric cars for fleets. They run 24/7. You can apply new battery chemistry when it becomes available. You can mix all the new battery chemistry. Works all great together. So, and the cells you keep that on a day-to-day use are the ones that you actually use. It's not necessarily those which you might use someday during the week or maybe once a month to drive to grandma. So Dr. Zetchev from Daimler gave some advice to the industry, which we are following to the letter. His t-shirt says it all for himself. And we have some stuff for you to look at right behind the stage. I hope you all come to see it. Thank you.
We've developed